Hardy plants like sheoak, pandanus, octopus bush and native grasses grow around the edge of Lady Musgrave Island, creating hidden and sheltered areas for birds to nest. Black-naped terns are ground nesters, usually laying 2 eggs in a depression on the coral beach, in the shelter of roots and other vegetation, just above the high water mark. Bridled terns lay 1 egg, usually in a crevice under a ledge, or amongst coral blocks and tree roots, or under a bushy overhang. They defend their nesting site vigorously from intruders. Their chicks are very well camouflaged. These fringing plants form a protective barrier to wind and salt spray, enabling less hardy trees like personias to grow and form a forest at the interior of the island. Personia trees, along with pandanus, support nesting black noddy terns. Underneath the personia trees are the burrows of wedge-tailed shearwaters. The shearwaters lay 1 egg in a sparse nest made in the burrow, which can be up to 2 meters long. During the day, 1 shearwater parent is in the nest minding the egg or chick, while the other parent is out to sea hunting. So you don't tend to see the wedge-tailed shearwaters, but this is the sound of their calls at night. Remember to subscribe, and if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up.